Explanation or interpretation of Surah Fatiha, the opening chapter. Surah Fatiha, the opening chapter of the Quran, is considered the heart of the Quran. It is recited in every prayer, making it one of the most familiar verses to Muslims worldwide. Its concise yet profound verses offer a comprehensive guide to life and faith. Verse 1. Praise be to God, the Lord of the worlds. This verse establishes the theme of praise and gratitude to God, the creator and sustainer of all existence. It acknowledges his sovereignty over the entire universe and its inhabitants. Verse 2. The most gracious, the most merciful. These attributes of God highlight his boundless compassion and mercy. They emphasize his willingness to forgive and his love for his creation. Verse 3. Lord of the Day of Judgment. This verse reminds us of the ultimate reality, the Day of Judgment, when all will be held accountable for their actions. It underscores the importance of living a righteous life in preparation for this momentous event. Verse 4. You alone we worship and you alone we seek help from. This verse expresses our complete devotion and reliance on God. It affirms that He is the only source of true worship and the ultimate source of guidance and assistance. Verse 5. Guide us to the straight path. This verse is a supplication for guidance. It asks God to lead us to the correct path, the path of righteousness and salvation. Verse 6. The path of those you have favored. This verse refers to the path of the prophets and the righteous, those who have earned God's favor and guidance. Verse 7. Not the path of those you have incurred your wrath upon, nor of those who have gone astray. This verse contrasts the straight path with the paths of those who have incurred God's wrath and those who have strayed from the right way. It serves as a warning against following the wrong path. Overall, Surah Fatiha encapsulates the core beliefs of Islam. It affirms God's sovereignty, His mercy, and His guidance. It teaches us the importance of worship, righteousness, and seeking Allah's help. By reciting and reflecting upon this chapter, Muslims can deepen their understanding of their faith and strengthen their connection with God. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel for more related ones. Thank you.